IHA's Restorative Protein Hair Conditioning Mask with soya and wheat protein. It repairs damaged hair, it deeply conditions, nourishes, and moisturizes your hair. The consistency of the hair mask is quite thick, that gives you a shiny after result. Never apply a mask on dry hair. Always wet your hair before. Now take efficient amount of your hair mask on your palm and apply it liberally all over your hair and leave it for around 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Look how beautiful my hair looks now. I love the shine and the texture of my hair after using this conditioner. It feels like an instant remedy for my damaged hair.